Welcome to Draw with Jam. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple exercise that you can do to help yourself get better at shading. The first step is to draw a circle. Next, draw a little circle or a dot to represent your light source. The light source can be anywhere outside of this first circle. I'm going to place it kind of above to the side of my circle. Now you can draw some rays coming out of your light source and going towards your circle. You can now start to shade the circle by making the side of the circle that's furthest from the light the darkest, and then making it fade to lighter as it gets closer to the light source. Next, it's time to give this circle a shadow. At the top of the circle, draw a line that's going at the same angle as the rays. Make this line go to the same level as the bottom of the circle, and then the space in between the bottom of the line and the bottom of the circle is where you can put the shadow. The shadow will be the darkest closest to the circle and will get slightly lighter as you go further from the circle. Though for the most part, it should be about the same shade of black. And now you have a circle with a shadow. But what if you want to make something colored? Well, first you need to understand color a little bit. So you can have your base color, your shadow color, and sometimes you'll have a highlight color. Purple is really easy to turn into a shadow, and yellow is really easy to turn into a highlight. The closer a color is to purple on the color wheel, the easier it is to make that color a shadow. The different color you choose for your shadow can also affect the mood of your picture. For instance, if you choose blue, it could make the picture feel more calm, and pink could make the picture feel more excited. And now, using the exercise I showed you earlier, you can test out different color combinations for making shadows to see what kinds of things you like best. To actually use your shadow color, though, you place it on the darkest part of the circle. Well, the spot that's supposed to be the darkest spot on the circle. You can also practice using highlights using this exercise. The closer a color is to yellow, the easier it usually is to use as a highlight. This blue circle is my favorite of the circles I made. I hope that this video helps you with shading. I know that it certainly helped me learn a little bit about shading. There's a link in my description in case you want to see more of my drawing tutorials, so please feel free to check them out.